Aww.
Whoa! That hurts. That hurts. We just came back from the gym.
The thighs.
Yeah, she squished my thighs. I was like, fuck, that hurts.
Oh my gosh. Caroline, you don't know where your lover's ticklish spot is?
Oh, I
Or
know.
ticklish spots?
I can't go there right now.
Let her pee.
I can tickle myself and I don't get ticklish.
Oh, duh.
So,
What the fuck?
Let's
Tickle Pat.
Insidious! This is like insidious!
Oh my god, you guys, stop!
My booty hole!
his booty hole. Oh my god.
Why are you yelling insidious?
You guys took his pants off? Yeah, why are you yelling that? Take it off!
Were they the dead that were asking for help? Dude, I want to take off.
Why? Why?
I don't know.
Take off your easier.
Oh my
Yeah,
god.
I think Caroline's tickling.
Caroline,
She is, go!
let's do it.
but she gets dangerous. I'm just warning you.
You guys are gonna get kicked in the face.
Hold her fucking
Oh my
legs. She will
god.
kick people.
She will kick you guys.
Tickle her.
Hold her down first.
Go.
Hold her down.
Go.
She bit you?
Go. Go. She just
She rolls off the bed.
Hello, everyone's scared to tickle her.
She bit me!
Beat you?
I told
Beat
you.
I warned you. She gets more dangerous.
You got rabies now. You got World War Z.